Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your ultimate guide to making the best purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. On the left, we have the SOTAONE S350 Drone, and on the right, the SOTAONE Brushless Motor Drone. Buckle up, because this is going to be one epic drone showdown. First up, let's talk about price. The SOTAONE S350 is priced at just $59. That's like skipping a couple of fancy lattes. On the other hand, the SOTAONE Brushless Motor Drone will set you back $99. For that price, it better come with a personal butler and a year's supply of pizza, am I right? So if you're on a budget and want to save some bucks, the SOTAONE S350 is your wallet's new best friend. Now, let's talk about what really matters in a drone. The camera. The SOTAONE S350 comes with a 1080p HD camera. Not too shabby, right? You can capture your neighbor's cat doing backflips in pretty decent quality. Reviewers mention that while the camera is decent, it is fixed and requires manual adjustment. But the SOTAONE, oh boy, this bad boy boasts a 4K camera. That's like upgrading from a potato to a Hollywood film crew. Reviewers are impressed with its stunning 4K camera quality. If you want to count the hairs on a squirrel's tail from 300 feet up, the SOTAONE is your go-to. So for camera quality, SOTAONE takes the cake, and probably the entire bakery. Alright, let's get into how stable these birds are in the sky. The SOTAONE S350 is designed with beginners in mind. It has altitude hold, one key takeoff, landing, and headless mode. It's like the training wheels of drones. Even your grandma could fly this thing without breaking a sweat. Reviewers highlight its ease of use and stability, making it a great starter drone. On the flip side, the SOTAONE has brushless motors and optical flow positioning. This means it's as stable as a yoga master holding a tree pose in a hurricane. Plus, it has an altitude hold system and can resist wind like a champ. Reviewers praise its smooth flight and stability, even in windy conditions. So if you're looking for a drone that won't crash into your neighbor's barbecue, the SOTAONE is the way to go. Next up, battery life. The SOTAONE S350 gives you about 20 minutes of flight time with its two modular batteries. That's enough time to scare your dog and maybe even your cat. However, reviewers note that the actual battery life can be as low as 10 to 15 minutes. But the SOTAONE, oh, this beast comes with 1,600 milliamp hours batteries, giving you a whopping 40 minutes of flight time. You could probably fly it to the moon and back twice. Okay, maybe not, but you get the point. Reviewers are impressed with its extended flight time. So if you're looking to keep the fun going longer, SOTAONE is your ticket to endless skies. Now, let's talk about the fun stuff. The SOTAONE S350 has some cool tricks up its sleeve: 4-direction 3D flips, high-speed rotation, fixed-point circle fly, and even VR mode. It's like a circus in the sky. Reviewers enjoy its fun features and find it very entertaining. But wait, SOTAONE isn't backing down. It offers high-speed rotation, circle fly, gesture control, headless mode, and even 360-degree obstacle avoidance. Plus, it comes with a carrying case and spare fan blades. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. Reviewers appreciate the extra features and the added convenience of the carrying case. So for sheer fun and versatility, SOTAONE wins this round, hands down. Overall, reviewers find the SOTAONE S350 to be a great starter drone, with decent camera quality, good flight stability, and fun features, though it has a shorter battery life. It's perfect for beginners and offers good value for money. On the other hand, the TiZitoy Brushless Motor Drone impresses with its stunning 4K camera, excellent flight stability, extended battery life, and versatile features. However, some reviewers have noted poor customer support and difficulties with the app. Despite that, it's highly recommended for those willing to invest a bit more for a top-notch drone experience. All right, smart shoppers, that wraps up our drone showdown. If you're ballin' on a budget and want a simple, easy-to-use drone, the SOTAONE S350 is your new best buddy. But if you're willing to splurge a bit for top-notch camera quality, longer flight time, and a ton of extra features, then the TiZitoy Brushless Motor Drone is your sky-high soulmate. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below on which drone you'd pick or if you have any other products you want us to compare. Until next time, fly high and buy smart. Product links are in the description.